Well, as we talked about the means of grace, I've already referenced the sacrament several times, and the word sacrament may not be a term you're familiar with. And if you look through the English Bible, you're not going to find the word sacrament. It's really a term that the church uses to describe a biblical teaching. The closest we find to the word sacrament in the Bible is the word mystery. And here in 1 Corinthians 4, we find the statement, "Let a man regard us in this manner as servants of Christ and stewards of the mysteries of God." Now, the Latin word that is used in translation of that Greek word is where we get the word sacrament from. And so in the English language, the word sacrament refers to the mysteries of God. And now a mystery of God is that which God has revealed to us very plainly, but he hasn't explained to us, and it's beyond our understanding. So we know it's true because God's word reveals it, but we don't really comprehend it because it goes beyond our human reason. It's not a mystery like, oh, I got to solve this mystery, like a whodunit, but openly revealed, but not understood by us. Now, in the Lutheran Church, we have 2 sacraments we talk about. Other church bodies have different numbers of sacraments, and some talk about having no sacraments, even though they practice the very things we do call a sacrament. And that really all stems from our church's confession and the doctrine behind that confession and how we define the word sacrament. So if you belong to a church body that defines a sacrament one way, you may end up with 7 sacraments. If you're a church body that doesn't believe in sacraments because they have a different definition of that term, then there's 0. But in the Lutheran Church, we have the 2, and we want to examine that definition, understand why these 2 things are what we understand sacraments to be, the very sacraments that bring us God's grace, his means of grace.